Welcome to solverfy.
Number 1 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us to look at this molecule, sinensal, and I've drawn it here. And we're asked what orbitals are used to form the indicated bonds in alpha sinensal, and in what type of orbitals do the lone pairs on the oxygen reside. Okay, and so I didn't put the numbers in. So this is bond number 1 that we're asked about. This is bond number 2 that we're asked about. And this is bond number 3 that we're asked about. Okay, and so to determine what type of orbitals are used to form these bonds, we need to look at the 2 atoms that are involved in each bond. And so looking at the first bond here, we have an sp2 carbon bound to another sp2 carbon. Okay, looking at bond number 2, we have 2 bonds here since it's a double bond. And so the sigma bond is going to be composed of a C-sp2 orbital and an O-sp2 orbital. And then the pi bond is going to be between a C-sp orbital and an O-sp orbital. Oops. So just an OP orbital rather. Okay. Oh yeah, and so actually this should just be a p orbital for the carbon as well. So a carbon p orbital and an oxygen p orbital. There we go. Okay, and then for bond number 3, again, it's going to be 2 sp2 carbons. Okay, and then part B of this problem asks us, in what type of orbitals do the lone pairs on the oxygen reside? And so the oxygen is going to be sp2 hybridized. Okay, and since the oxygen is sp2 hybridized, the lone pairs are going to be in sp2 orbitals. Okay, and so that's the answer to this problem. Again, for part A, we just need to look at the 2 atoms that are involved in each of the bonds that we're talking about, and what their hybridization is. And then for part B, since we know that the oxygen is sp2 hybridized, we can say that the lone pairs are going to be in sp2 orbitals. And that's the answer to chapter 20, problem number 1.